Warm welcome on my ETG English Galaxy. Today, this is the day 1 of basic vocabulary to advanced vocabulary. So let's start. Why are we waiting? Now, our first word is big and advances massive, meaning extremely large and huge, often used for amount. And second one is small and advances petite, meaning extremely tiny, almost hard to notice. And the third one is happy, and advance is static, meaning extremely happy and overjoyed. And fourth, sad and advance is dejected, meaning feeling hopeless and disappointed. And fifth is smart and advance is astute, meaning very clever in things and making decisions. Sixth is angry and advance is furious. And seventh, good and advance is admirable, meaning deserving respect and approval. And seventh is bad and advance is atrocious, beautiful and advance is exquisite, meaning extremely beautiful and delicate. Last one is scared and advance is apprehensive, meaning worried and nervous about something. And today's lesson is completely ended. If you're watching till this, and so thank you for this. Bye bye. We will meet next time and next video.